This, and this were most of the trade I placed this entire year so far, and how consistent we have stayed over the months back to back. And I always post everything for free. Now, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how exactly I do it and how easy it is for you to make profit as long as you follow this step I'm about to show you. I've said this time and time again. Your strategy won't help you, your indicators, whatever you're doing won't help you if you don't have a valid step that you're using in order for you to stay consistent in the market and for you to stay profitable. And I'm going to go up to my chart. I'm going to show you the entire trade I played this week and how we're able to stay on top. As long as you know the basics in trading, trust me, you'll be able to make money using this entire strategy the way I do. So before I go, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any video we drop when we do so. See you guys on the chat. Let's go. So we placed trade for the entire week from Monday to Friday. We actually had opportunities the entire week, but our first trade for the week was a losing trade, which was a sell on gold. As you can see on my chart, I actually placed a sell looking for price to cover this range I had on my left hand side. So I was looking for this range to cover because the overall trend was giving me a setup, like probably a setup that price will likely come down and continue pushing downward. So that's why I went for a sell, and price decides to go against me. So this was the setup I'm looking for. I'm looking at this level, probably much higher time frame break and retest, price coming to this level, retesting this level for it to drive downwards. So that was my reason for entering this trade for sales. That's why I went for short, because I saw my entry, and again price closed below this structure. It was on my left hand side where I saw price close below. So I went back to the recent time and I'm looking for opportunities. You can see this is where price closed, and I saw one bullish candle closing below the structure. I wait for price to retest, and I got into the trade. So this was my stop loss, but you know me now, I don't always lose the money I set aside to lose. So when price was coming down, came down, I didn't close because I was waiting for price to probably fill up this week first before I can hold my runners and move one to one. So when price moved down and started coming back up, I closed around 50% when this current 15 minutes candle here, when this 15 minutes candle broke his own highs, I closed 50%, then came back down, closed like this, and the next candle starts playing out. So I think I closed it when it broke above this high. I can't really remember, but you can see it here somewhere around there. That's why I closed this exact trade. So I actually entered to trade on Monday. I went for sales, and the sales was still around this level, and it was price breaking above. After this break, you can see this long weak rejection, price closing back this level here. I was just expecting price to sell for some reason, and I went for sell when price break below this candle. And the moment I saw 10 people, I was quick to move my stop to break even, so I won't end up losing money again. And price moved down and actually came back down, came back up to hit my break even. You can see price moved around 14 people before going back to hit us at BE. So that was the for Monday. Then the second trade I had was on Tuesday. It was a buy, a beautiful buy. You can see when I was scrolling from here, you can see how price was just trending up, creating highs and lows. And we got to this level where price created a level of resistance for me. You can see multiple touches on my resistance. You can see here price has been failing to break above this level. You can see multiple failures. And the moment I saw this low down, this gives me like a fake out because price couldn't continue pushing downwards. And the moment I saw a break of structure, you can see how price broke above the structure, closing bullish. This bearish closure, this bearish pin bar is a very strong indication for me that price will actually push upwards. So the moment I saw this, I placed the buy stop above this level. You can see where my stop loss is, and we easily got 1 to 2. I think we closed around 60 people or 40 something people. I can't remember, but you can see it here because I have records on everything I placed and people made money from it. So that was it on Tuesday. I'm trying to stick to just 1 or 2 trades in the entire day. That's it. The plan is just 1 or 2. If I don't see a trade, then that's it. So on Wednesday, you can see the market has been good. We have like a good trend. Price is trending towards the direction, and it has been good. So on Tuesday, I saw this trade right at the moment I came online to look for opportunities. That's when I saw this exact trade, and this was on Wednesday. I saw a strong. You can see now. Let me break down the trade for you. And this is the level of resistance. Normally, I wouldn't have entered the trade here. I would have been looking for opportunities below the structure, and assuming I waited, I would have still had a good selling opportunities below the structure. So what I did, I waited for price to close this bearish closure I got here. You can see this is a multiple rejection where price tried to break and close below the structure, but failed multiple times to close below. Now you can see that this exact one bearish candle that closed strong bearish below the structure. So that was when I was looking for entries. This particular candle that closed as indecisive candle was my entry candle. This was the exact candle where I got into the trade. So I placed a sell stop below here and put my structure above this level because I don't expect price to come back up unless price want to change its bias and start pushing upward. So that was my entries. You can see how price move downwards. We got about 60 pips on it. I can't remember. But I'm going to put it here so you see the exact trade we got on the trade. So that was it for Wednesday. One trade was enough because price already moved more than I wanted because I reached like 2% on each my trades, and this has given me more than I expected. So moving to on Thursday, I think we had a buy on Thursday, and it was all with 30 minutes. So let me go to 30 minutes time frame so I can properly explain this trade for you guys. So on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see I had to drag it from here. You can see that obviously it's a bullish structure. Price is creating highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So we got to this level, and this was during London section of London, one of the two. I can't remember, but you can see it. So I got a strong bullish candle. This should be like almost the London section. Yeah, it was almost the London section. So I got a strong bullish candle pulling above the structure. And the next 15 minutes candle or 30 minutes, the new 30 minutes candle came down to retest the broken structure. And this was the structure here. This is the level where price came down to. So the moment I saw price breaking this previous high, I placed the buy stop and put my candle in the body of the candle. You can see how the trade plays out. The plays out well. We struggled a bit, but actually played to my favor and made profit from it on Thursday. Then on Friday, we also had another opportunity on Friday where we placed another buy because the entire trend was bullish. Price was just moving upward, and it was similar to. Let's go to the 15 minutes so you can see the structure properly. So this structure, price had a strong bullish candle, and I dropped a video on the group chat saying what I'm looking for on this chart, what I want price to do. I need price to come down a bit to this level so I can look for opportunities, but price gave me a better one. It closed as this indecisive candle, which is a very strong um buying signal for me or opportunity signal for me to go into the market. So I immediately placed the buy stop above this level, expecting price to break above and continue driving bullish, and that's exactly what price did. Price broke above, my stop loss being low. When it started moving above, I moved my stop to break even below the lows. And we also made money from it. This I just tell them one price just got to 40 p. That's when I closed. It was a bit got around um almost 3 point something% on this trade, this particular one. And that was how we ended our entire week on an easy week. And so far, so good. The entire week for gold, currently week we're in, gold is obviously bullish. You can see, let me clear up everything. And let me just show you guys real quick what I'm saying on gold. So gold is obviously very bullish, close above this level, but we have a problem. The coin candle close as no 12 weeks. So you might see a bearish rejection from on Monday. Probably don't know yet, but we'll see how the candle goes. Maybe price will push up a bit, then push down, something like this. Price will likely push up, just push bullish. Then I just see a candle like this. So let's see how it plays out. Then I'll just enter whenever I see on Monday, start on Monday opportunities. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned for more and follow if you're not following. If you find the video helpful, just give us a like and comment your difficulties you have in trading for more videos. Stay blessed. Yes.